Good morning, students. Welcome to all on online education. English Unit 1, The World of Colors. Activity 1, The Corralling Colors Part 1. You all know about rainbow. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, 7 colors. Here in this story, all colors of rainbow are corralling. Let's we see the story. Long, long ago, the colors in the rainbow started to corral. As you all are corralling with your friends, with your brother and sister, here colors started to corral. Each color thought it was the most important color of all. Violet said, I am the color of humility and wisdom. I am the most important. Violet understand itself most important color. Why? Because it is the color of humility and wisdom. Indigo spoke softly. I am the color of silence. You need me for peace and prayer. I am the most important one. Indigo colors is for peace and prayer. And peace and prayer is most important thing in our life. Without peace and prayer, we can't live properly. Blue interrupted. I am the color of water. Water makes up life. Without me, you would be nothing. We need water in our day-to-day life. It is an important thing in our life. We need water for many things. For example, for bathing, for cooking, for washing clothes, making rasoi, etc. We need the color. We need the water. And watercolor is blue. Green said, I am the color of nature. That is why I am the best. In nature, many things have green color. Leaves, trees, all are green colors always. Yellow smile. I bring warmth to the world. The sun, the moon, the stars are all yellow. Smile and said that I bring warmth to the world because sun gives us heat and light. Without light, we can't see anything properly. Orange laughed. I am the color of courage. Surely I am the best. Orange laugh. Laugh means ha ha ha. And smile means slightly smile. Here difference between smile and laugh. Laugh means बड़ी आवाज़ से हंसना. Orange laugh. I am the color of courage. Surely I am the best. Orange colors is color of courage. Red shouted, I am the sign of strength and authority. Red color is telling that I am the sign of strength, takat, and authority. Now activity 2, What colors have you seen in the story? What colors have you seen in the story? Think for yourself and answer the following. These answers are the simple answer which I am describing here. You can answer the question as you think it. Okay. What colors have you seen in the story so far? Answer. So far in the story, we have seen violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red colors. They are all the colors of rainbow. You understand the answer? Okay. Now second question. Which color do you like best? You have to write down here your choice. For example, I am describing here answer of my choice. So you can write down your choice of color. I like red color most. I like red color most because it is the color of our blood and it is identical in all human beings, animals, birds and insects. It is also the color of strength and authority. Next question. Make a list of things you have seen in your favorite color. You have to write down which color you have your favorite and that color things. Here I am writing red color things because I like the red color most. Make a list of things you have seen in that color. Blood, rose, some berries like strawberries, raspberries, inner part of the watermelon, indicators in cinema houses, numbers displayed in digital clocks, etc. You can write down your choice of colors and the things of your choice. Ask your classmate about their favorite colors. What colors do your classmate like? Make a chart showing all the colors that classmates like best. Count how many classmates like each colors. Here given two parts, favorite colors of classmates. So you have to write down here name of colors: black, brown, red, yellow, orange, green, blue, etc. And numbers of classmates who like each colors. So 3, 4, 6, any numbers you can write down. Now activity 3. Look carefully at your chart. Was there any colors in the rainbow that no one in your class liked? Which color was that? So here for example I am writing, but you can write down any color name. In our class no one liked indigo color. Question number 2. Which color did the most people like and how many people like that colors? The colors that most people like is the most popular color. Answer. Almost 65% of students liked orange color in the rainbow. Hence we can say that orange is the most popular color. Question number 3. Which color did the fewest people like, and how many people like that color? The color that fewest people like is the least popular color. Fewest means some people only. Very few. Only some people. The fewest answer, the fewest people like yellow color. It was liked by only 7 out of 60. Therefore, we can say that yellow is the least popular color. Now, is your favorite color one of the most popular color or less popular color? Question number 4. Now answer. My favor goes for green color. You can write down here any name of colors, whatever you like. My favor goes for green color. So the color of my liking is among one of the most popular color. Activity 4. The Quarreling Colors Part 2. Here in this story, now you can see now colors becomes one and makes his rainbow. Here all colors stop fighting with each other in the part 2. In part 2, the Quarreling Colors part 2, now you all remember the part 1. So it is not needed to repeat part 1 again. Suddenly there was a thunder and lightning, and it began to rain heavily. The 7 colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, all heard the angry voice of rain. In this rainy season, many times you listen the voice of thunder and lightning, and then becomes heavy rain. All color angry voice of rain, because it is a very horrible voice. We also sometimes afraid of that voice and run away to our mother. That mommy, I am afraid of this color. Not color, sorry, afraid of this voice. What the thunder said, let's see. You stupid foolish colors, why are you fighting among yourselves? Don't you know each of you is important? The lightning stopped and thunder quieted. Thunder told that don't fight, you all are stupid and foolish, all colors are important. Stop fighting. And lightning stopped and thunder quieted. The rain said, listen to me. Each of you has a special purpose. When I stop storm, you must all hold hands and help each other. Because only one color can't make rainbow. When 7 colors together only make rainbow. You will help each other stretch across the sky to make the rainbow. The rainbow is a special sign. It shows that if we all work together and help each other, Even with our differences, we will all shine. Here, the story tells us, moral of the stories, we should help each other. If we will help each other in studies also, our result will come good and we will all shine on notice board. Our results will shine. The colors understood their mistake. The storm ended and the colors happily joined hands. Now all colors became one. They stopped fighting with each other. So, what is the moral of this story? Yes, we should not fight with each other. We should help each other. Now, activity 5. Just as all the colors help to make rainbow, everyone can help to make school a better place to learn. We can make the school better place by helping each other, by doing work in the school, by keeping the things on the place, not throwing the packets here and there. We should throw the packets only in the dustbin. Look at this picture with a partner or group. Name all the things you see in the picture. Think together about some ways the student in this school could help in the classroom. Here you can see the picture of classroom. All the things are here and there and dirty. Now, what can you do for your school? What should you do here? Think about it. Use the picture to help you write down 2 sentences about the things you can do to help in your school. Here you have to write down your sentences. Use the picture to help you write down 2 sentences about the things you can do to help in your school. What you can do in this matter. Here all the things are here and there. Here I am, for example, giving you these 3 sentences, but you can write down your own sentence also. We can arrange the furniture in proper order. We can keep the furniture in the proper order. Understand you all? Chairs, tables, arranging very well. Understand? Here all are here and there. We have to manage all furniture on the place. We can do it. Second things, we can clean the floor. I can clean the floor. You can write down like this. What can you do? So I can clean the floor. We can collect the books and notebooks. Here in the question tell what sentence about things you can do. So I can collect the books and notebooks and keep it on the right place. Share your sentence with your classmates. Listen to ideas of others classmates. Which three ideas from other classmates did you think were the most interesting? Here in online study you can't share your ideas with your classmates. So for example, I am giving you some names, but you have to write down the name of your classmate. Okay. In first, Rohan suggested to bring the blackboard in the center of the wall. Second, Ravji suggested to form the 3 rows of tables and chairs instead of 4. As in the class there is a 3 row of your benches. Third one, Manuni suggested to paint the chair and tables in different colors and set them in different rows. Means one row is blue, then white, then black. She suggested like that. Activity 6. In a group, talk together about all ideas helping that your classmate wrote in the activity above. Choose 5 ideas that everyone in your group agrees are interesting. My group thinks that these 5 ideas are interesting. First one, collect the books and notebooks from the floor and put them back into the school bags. Malini suggested that tables and chairs in the classroom should be set in semicircle. Ruchir suggested we must have a dustbin in our classroom and everyone should use it in case of rubbish. When we want to throw packets, pencils, sharpened pencils, we can throw in that dustbin. Waste papers. If he or she does not follow the rules, he or she must be punished. Fourth one, the books or notebooks scattered on the floor are to be collected and put into the cupboard. Fifth one, a strict rule should be made not to litter the classroom in any case. Here I describe the 5 ideas that I will send you by the PDF. Many ideas are interesting, but not all ideas are easily done. Work with your group to rank the 5 interesting ideas from the easiest to most difficult. Ranking means to put in orders. Rank the easiest idea first, the next easiest second, the most difficult ideas to do should be number 5. Number 1, easiest. Now what is the easiest here? Collect the books and notebooks from the floor and put them back into the school bags. That idea is the easiest idea. Second easiest is cleaning the floor. Third one, arranging the classroom in proper order. Fourth one, arranging furniture in different format. And the most difficult is painting chairs and tables in various colors and setting them in different pattern. Most difficult is that to color in different colors. How could your group work together to actually do the easiest idea for helping? All our group members will take a joint decision to collect books and notebooks from the floor or the ones lying on the table and will identify whom they belongs to. Whose book is there? We will give them back and ask them to put them into their bags or in the school cupboard. Now activity 7. Mix the colors as directed in the poem. Paints by Orleans, who write the poem about the colors. Here, what color described in the poem you mix and what color you get it, you think. When I put yellow paint on red, the colors change to orange instead. And mixing blue and red, I get pretty shade violet. So when we mix yellow color and red color, we get orange color. So in this first box, you have to write down yellow plus red is equal to orange. And blue and red, we get violet color. So in the second box, you have to write down blue plus red is equal to violet. Another trick that I have seen, yellow and blue turn into green. So in third box you have to write down yellow plus blue is equal to green. There is a magic when my colors mix. It's fun to watch them doing tricks. So in fourth one you have to mix yellow plus blue is equal to green. That I already done. So here the author is telling it is a magic that we call with tricks we mix the color, we get another color. Activity 8. It is very easy to name the colors in the poem paints, but some other colors are not so easy to name. For example, the marker of Crayola crayons use many shades of brown. In brown colors, many shades comes in these crayons. Look at some of names for their brown crayons: chocolate, dirt, beaver, copper, chestnut, romber and burnt umber. These all are the name of colors brown colors name. All of these names are the things that have the brown color of the crayon. Here one picture is given of tree. Now in trees there is, you can see just like dam. Who done these things to the tree? Let's we see by the story. A beaver is a brown animal that lives near water and is known for building dams from tree that is cut down with its teeth. Here the name one animal name of a beaver. Beaver named animal do this to the tree. Dams. Dams for collecting waters we make dams. So here he makes dam in the tree with the help of teeth. Umber is a kind of clay. How do you think raw umber and burnt umber might be different? Some colors named are not things. How do you think Razzle Dazzle Rose, Purple, Pizzas and Screaming Green were named? So here the words like Razzle Dazzle, Pizzas, Screaming associated with different colors are from different albums wherein such colors were outstanding. Usually we don't know these colors. We are not using this name for colors. Okay. Now bye. We will meet in the next lecture.